Email marketing. In a world filled with fleeting social media trends and ever-changing algorithms, one digital marketing channel stands tall. It's the quiet workhorse, the unsung hero. I'm talking about email marketing. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up an email campaign. I'm going to explain the benefits of email marketing and why it's so profitable. While everyone is chasing the next big thing on TikTok or Instagram, smart marketers are quietly building empires right inside their customers' inboxes. Forget what you've heard about email being dead. Today, on January 25, 2026, I'm here to tell you that email marketing is not only alive, but it's more powerful and profitable than ever. It offers a direct, personal, reliable connection to your audience that no other platform can match. People are conditioned to check their email daily, and unlike a feed where you're buried in seconds, an email waits to be opened. Let's talk numbers, because the data doesn't lie. Email marketing consistently delivers the highest return on investment of any digital channel. For every dollar you spend, studies show returns of over $40. That's a 4,000% ROI. Find me another strategy that can promise that. The reason: the cost to send an email is incredibly low, especially as paid ads get more expensive. You can reach thousands for a fraction of one ad campaign. It doesn't matter if you're a massive corporation or a solo entrepreneur. Email levels the playing field. Small businesses build loyal communities and steady sales. Enterprises use segmentation and automation to nurture leads and lift lifetime value. Low cost, high return, full control. Say this like a proven fact. Beyond money, email gives you data to make smarter decisions. Your email list is more than contacts, it's your ecosystem's foundation. Think of it as the central pillar supporting everything you do. Social drives people to your website, SEO attracts organic traffic, but many leave and never return. Your sign-up form is the digital handshake. Every channel should point back to growing your list. Build a captive audience you can reach without paying a gatekeeper. Your list is your most valuable asset. It appreciates over time as you nurture with value. People begin to anticipate your emails. It creates stability in an unstable digital world. Drive sales on demand, launch to an eager audience, and build long-term growth. Don't build on rented land. Build on your own email list. So, you're convinced. You're ready to harness the power of email. First step: choose an email service provider, your command center. Do not send mass emails from personal Gmail or Outlook. You'll get flagged and gain no management or tracking. An ESP handles storage, templates, and large sends. It maximizes deliverability. It automates compliance. Once you have your ESP, your next mission is to collect emails. Step 2. Create a simple sign-up form. All you really need is first name and email. Place it prominently. Home, footer, end of posts. Consider a subtle pop-up, but they won't subscribe for nothing. Step 3. Offer an irresistible lead magnet. Solve a specific, urgent problem. Make it irresistible. Give value first, then ask for the email. Step 4. Build an automated welcome email. It gets incredible open rates. People expect it. Do 3 things. Thank them. Deliver what you promised. Set expectations. Keep it warm, personal, and helpful. Introduce your brand. A strong welcome turns casual subscribers into engaged fans from day one. Automate it, perfect it, and let it work for you 24/7. You have a list and a welcome email. Now what? Consistency is key. Don't email only when you want to sell. Follow the 80-20 rule. Value first, promotions second. Set a simple, predictable rhythm. Step 6. Write clear, compelling subject lines. Keep it under 50 characters. Avoid clickbait. Use curiosity, urgency, and personalization honestly. Ask yourself, would I open this? Subject lines sell the open. Step 7. Clean design and a clear call to action. Design for phones. Readable and scannable. Choose one main action per email and make it obvious. Explain what's in it for them, then present the button. Align subject, body, and design to drive that single action. Simplicity and focus win. Getting started is one thing. Long-term success needs refinement. Not all subscribers are created equal. Divide into targeted groups by interests, behaviors, and demographics. Send highly relevant messages that boost opens, clicks, and sales. Start simple. Customers versus non-customers is huge. Step 9. Track open rate, CTR, unsubscribe rate. Diagnose and fix with data, not guesses. Email is regulated. Can spam. GDPR. Always get permission, provide and unsubscribe, and be honest. Include your address and keep things ethical to build trust. That's how you build a sustainable business. You'll make mistakes, learn to avoid the common ones, don't send only promotions, remember the 80-20 rule, avoid deceptive subjects, honesty wins long term, design for phones and always test on your device, clean your list, remove the unengaged to protect reputation. Use first names in subject and greeting. One clear CTA, tell them exactly what to do. Use images sparingly, ensure speed, never hide vital info in images. Test everything, small improvements compound over time. Theory is great, but action gets results. Here's a simple 30-day plan, your launchpad. Week 1, pick an ESP, install your form, create a simple checklist lead magnet. Week 2, automate the welcome email and draft 2 value-packed emails. Week 3, promote your magnet, send your first and second value emails. Week 4, review results, segment opened versus not opened, plan next month. This plan builds momentum. The time to start is now. Thanks for watching.